Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you around my studio. Now I was gonna clean it up, but then I decided, no, I think you might be interested to see how it actually is when I'm working. So here goes, mess and all. So here we go. I'm gonna give you a little tour. That's my house. So I walk out that back door, across the deck, and into my studio. It's an absolutely great space. It makes me warm and fuzzy, and I absolutely love being here. So, welcome to my space. I have a wonderful cleat system on my walls. This, guys, is the most remarkable thing. I will make a video about my cleat system. It allows me to not have easels that don't take precious floor space, and I can move my paintings up and down by a cleat system. So I've got the world's ugliest rug, but I don't care because I get paint all over it. And guys, I literally do get paint all over it. See, all over the cleat system, all over my walls. I got a little storage shelf up there where I keep some smaller paintings. My work is on pillows, so I keep them up there. This old antique cabinet I had put in place, and it just is great for storage. I've got a couple of kids' books that I did, and I store them in here. So when people come to the studio, they can shop. I also have a line of notebooks. Same thing. This keeps them clean and dust-free and free from paint. So here we go. I have a couple of tables, and I love the sun shining through the windows. My card display is a little bit disheveled, and I have this lovely kind of Art Deco desk where I sit at my paint-covered velvet desk. Here's my printer, and then I've got this, cat clawed old chair, and it moves around the studio. Right now it's tucked in there because I had a photo shoot in here earlier. We had to move it out of the way. So I do have two easels on this side. I am going to actually have my husband, he doesn't know it yet, but I'm gonna have him put a cleat system on that wall. And again, I will eliminate these easels because really it's a great little system. And again, I will do a video for you. So here's a painting that I'm just varnishing, and I have a table that stays up. I use Liquitex high gloss varnish, and man, that was a fun one to do. And we put in this little kitchen. Now guys, I am a YouTube fanatic, so I watch a lot of YouTube, listen to mostly, you'll be surprised, but garden shows. Not a lot of art shows or things like that, but a lot of garden shows. And here is my storage system. So the garden shows, they all, keep me company. I just fill my drawers. My paint of choice is golden. And oh, this manganese, that is quite the color. It is gorgeous. And this is a favorite tool. This squeezes all the paint right out of my tubes. So paint in the first two layers, and then all of my reference photos that I have printed over the years are stored here. Sometimes they're even organized, as into regions, things like that. And then just crap, my sink, if I could do better, make a better decision, I would do a bigger sink, but that's okay. There's no going back now. And this is a thing that I do every morning. So when I come in, I take the towel and I fold it over the front of the cabinetry. It keeps it clean, but look, I'm getting paint everywhere. Eventually, I will have to sand this down again and revarnish because I'm making a mess. But you know what? It is a paint studio. Over here on the bigger drawers, more supplies. So my varnish, my extra paint, my screws, my backings, all the little things I need. So this is just an IKEA system, guys. It's pretty great. A little mirror, and just in case somebody comes and I need to look at myself. This is a Stay Wet Masterson tray. Love it. I will do a little video about that for you. And then there's my view, guys. The garden in spring. I love my garden, so that's why I watch so many gardening YouTubes. And there you have it. We've got air conditioning and heat. If you have any questions about anything that you see on this video, it's not a very long one, but I thought I would give you a little bit of a show about my studio and where I work, how I spend my day. It's glorious. So there's my little YouTube or Instagram Reels tool that I attached and take video with. My supply of brushes. I mostly use square. I hardly ever use the filberts. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'd love it if you subscribe. I'm brand new. I'm trying to build a channel that is informative, enjoyable, and that you guys can take away something and be inspired from. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Hit subscribe. Love to hear from you. Have a great day.